So over time, when you work around with Notion, you may have a lot of contents that may build up, and you may want to go ahead and find certain content but may not have luck finding it. So for that, what you can use is you can utilize the search panel. So to do that, you can go around onto the search section right here and simply go ahead and type in whatever you want. Let's say, for example, I can go something like sample right here, just like this, and then you can see that I got sample form right here. So there's sample form and there's like sample page and so forth. So I can simply go ahead and click and access that page out, and that is what you have. If I were to go around onto search right here, just like this, then you can see that I also have an option to ask AI of samples. So there's the action. So let's say, for example, what is the biggest building in the world right here? So you can simply go ahead and ask AI, and then you can simply talk with AI right here from the search as well. And this is what you have, as you can see. So this is what you have for the search, as you can see. So you can simply go ahead and type in the contents as well, or simply go ahead and search for the contents that you have right here as well. So this is how you can go ahead and utilize the search panel inside of Notion. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.